How to find the number of orbitals in a specific shell? Students, we can easily find the number of orbitals in a specific shell through this formula, 2l plus 1. So through this formula, we can easily find the number of orbitals in a specific shell. In this formula, the L variable value is equal to the azimuthal quantum number. Four quantum numbers are present in each atom. First one is principal quantum number, second one is azimuthal quantum number, third one is magnetic quantum number, and the fourth one is spin quantum numbers. So we will put azimuthal, the constant value of azimuthal quantum number in this formula. There are four subshells present in each shell mainly. So first one is S subshell, the second one is P subshell, and the third one is D subshell, and the fourth one is F subshell. So now we will count numerically that how many orbitals are present in each shell. So for every subshell, there is a constant value of azimuthal quantum number. For S subshell, the azimuthal quantum number is equal to 3, and for P subshell, the azimuthal quantum number value is equal to 1, and for D subshell, the azimuthal quantum number value is equal to 2, and for F subshell, the azimuthal quantum number value is equal to 3. Now we will numerically calculate that how many orbitals are present in each subshell. So first we will calculate it for S subshell, and write first this formula, write 2l plus 1. Now substitute the value of S subshell in this formula. So for S subshell, the azimuthal quantum number value is S0. So write 0 on the place of L. Now add 1. So it will give a value of 2. When we multiply 2 with 0, so it will give a value of 0, and then add with 1, so it will give a value of 1. It means then what? It means that one orbital is present in subshell. Now we will count it for P subshell. So first write the formula 2l plus 1. Now write the azimuthal quantum number value for P subshell, which is 1. So now substitute the value 2. Now write 1 on the place of L. 1. Now add 1. So it will give a value of 2. When we multiply 2 with 1, so it will give a value of 2. Now add 1, so it will give 3. It means that 3 orbitals are present in P subshell. Now for D subshell, write the formula first, 2l plus 1. Now write the azimuthal quantum number value for D subshell, which is 2. So write 2. Now L value is 2 also, and add 1. So 2, when we multiply 2 with 2, so it will give a value of 4, and now add 1, so it will give 5. It means that 5 orbitals are present in D subshell. Now for F subshell, the same mechanism will be followed. Now first we will write the formula 2l plus 1. Now substitute the value for F subshell 2. Write the value of L, which is 3. So write 3. Now add 1, so 6. It will give a value of 7. It means that 7 orbitals are present in F subshell of an atom.